Before I turned 30, these were all the skills I wish I had to help me live my best life. Number 1, learn how to learn. The most powerful belief you can build is that your abilities are not fixed. Intelligence, creativity, confidence, all of that can grow, but only if you learn how to learn. And that means asking better questions, staying curious, and treating mistakes as lessons, not as failures. Instead of saying, I'm not good at this, say, I haven't figured it out yet. This will change your life more than any single skill ever will. The moment you believe growth is possible, you also unlock every other skill on the rest of this list. Number 2, learn to tell a good story. Stories connect people in a way that facts never can. Whether you're on a date, in a meeting, or pitching an idea, learn to share personal moments with meaning and share your struggles and journey. Stories make you memorable. Practice vulnerability. Share your messy middle. People don't connect with perfect. They connect with the real you. Number 3, learn to build systems. Willpower is never reliable. When you're tired, stressed, or uninspired, it's your systems that carry you forward. Build morning routines that ground you, weekly rituals that reset you, automated workflows that simplify your life. Systems, they reduce decision fatigue, and they make progress repeatable. If motivation is a spark, then your systems are the engine. And engines are what get you to your goals. Number 4, learn to cook 3 solid meals. Food is your fuel. Learn how to prepare 3 meals you enjoy. 1 quick breakfast, 1 healthy dinner, and 1 comfort dish. No matter how technology advances, you will always need to eat. Cooking gives you control over your health, your money, and your environment, so you don't rely on takeouts and fast food. Number 5, learn to manage your energy. Most people don't burn out from lack of time, but lack of energy. You don't need to do more. You need to manage how you feel while doing it. Know what drains you and what recharges you. Say no to what costs too much energy, even if it looks amazing on the outside. Build habits around your well-being, not just your hustle. Number 6, learn personal finance. So having a rich life isn't just about how much you earn. It's about knowing what you consider to be meaningful to spend your money on. Money doesn't solve all problems, but money stress amplifies them. Learn to track your spending without shame. Set up automated transfers to savings and investments. Understand the difference between what feels good now and what builds freedom later. Money doesn't buy happiness, but it buys freedom to do what you want, when you want, with who you want, and wherever you want. The earlier you get this right, the more freedom you'll create for the future you. Number 7, learn to listen. Listening is one of the most underrated skills in life. Most people don't listen. They wait to talk. Listening earns your trust. It deepens connection. Learning to ask better questions and be genuinely curious. When you actually listen, people feel seen. And when people feel seen, they open up. In a noisy world, a good listener is magnetic and will help you create genuine connections to stand out. Number 8, learn to move your body. You take care of your body, and your body will take care of you. Strength training, mobility, yoga, or walking. Find something sustainable that you love doing. You don't need 6-pack abs. It doesn't hurt, but you need to be strong enough to live the life you want. Pain-free and confident. It's how you shake off anxiety, shift your energy, and really strengthen your mind. Movement is the best medicine in life. Number 9, learn how to ask for help. You don't have to do life alone. Asking for help isn't weakness. It's your shortcut to success. Look for mentors. Admit when you're lost. Ask the right questions and find people who've done what you want to do. Let their experience shorten your learning curve. The people who rise the fastest are the ones willing to learn from others. Number 10, learn to build a personal brand. Your reputation is no longer limited to resumes and references. It's what people say about you when you're not in the room and what they see when they Google your name. Learn to share your ideas, document your journey, and show up consistently online. You don't need to go viral. You need to be visible, credible, and intentional. Build your brand before you need it, and it will open doors you didn't even know existed. Number 11, learn to rest without guilt. You're not a machine. You weren't born to go nonstop. Learn to rest before you're exhausted, not after. Rest isn't unproductive. It's actually strategic. Rest isn't a reward or a luxury. It's a requirement to live life. You don't need to earn rest by burning out first. It's what makes your best work possible. When you reset your creativity, your focus, and your emotions. Guilt-free rest is your best unfair advantage. Number 12, learn to speak with confidence. Confidence isn't about being loud. It's about being clear. Speak like you believe what you're saying. And when you can speak clearly, you gain influence. When you can speak with purpose, you gain your respect. Practice expressing your ideas in ways that others can understand. Learn to pause, to breathe, and to get to the point. Your voice matters, so use it well. Number 13, learn to finish what you start. Starting is exciting. Finishing it is rare. But following through is where real confidence and results are built. Start small, finish the book, send that email, complete the project. The more you finish, the more you trust yourself. Self-trust is the foundation of self-esteem. Number 14, learn to network without being awkward. Networking isn't about handing out business cards or sliding to DMs with a pitch. It's about being curious, present, and valuable. Ask thoughtful questions. Follow up without asking for anything. The best connections are built on shared interests and mutual respect, not based on transactions. Number 15, learn to say no. Every yes is a no for something else. Say yes only when it aligns with your values, your priorities, and your bandwidth on what you can do. Saying no isn't selfish. It's self-respect. It's how you protect your focus, your energy, and your time. Number 16, learn to build something. Make things, write, design, plant, create. You don't have to be an expert. You just need to start. Build something that didn't exist before you touched it. And building something from scratch builds belief in yourself. It reminds you that you're capable of shaping your world. Number 17, learn to define success on your own terms. It's so easy to chase what looks good on paper. Titles, likes, income. But being fulfilled in your life comes from alignment. Define success based on what matters to you, not what impresses others. Get clear on your values, then live them. Number 18, learn to manage your digital life. Your phone is a powerful tool, but only if you control it. Left unchecked, it drains your focus, it shortens your attention span, and it increases anxiety without you even noticing. Turn off non-essential notifications. Delete apps that waste your time. Set screen boundaries that protect your peace. Use it in the right way, and you'll think more clearly, feel more present, and live more intentionally. Number 19, learn how to pack light. And I mean this physically and emotionally. Take only what you need on trips, in relationships, and in goals. Because less baggage equals more freedom. Number 20, learn to breathe properly. Your breath is your reset button. When stress spikes or your mind spins, use your breath to ground you. Box breathing, 4 seconds in, 4 seconds hold, and out for 4 seconds. It calms your nervous system and sharpens your mind. Practice it until it becomes instinctive. Number 21, learn to maintain friendships. Relationships and friendships don't run on autopilot. It gets even harder to maintain after 30 when everyone starts building families and move away. Send the message, make the plan, celebrate their wins. Make time to be there for your favorite people. A few strong friendships are worth more than 100 weak ties. Good friends make good lives. Don't take them for granted. Number 22, learn to practice gratitude. Gratitude rewires your brain to help you see what you have instead of what you lack, to help motivate you and to keep going on days when it feels really hard. Write down 3 things each day you're thankful for. It's simple and powerful to make you realize you're already enough. You always have been. Number 23, learn to sit with discomfort. We grow by doing hard things, whether it's starting a new job, ending a relationship, or pursuing a dream. Discomfort is part of the process. Don't run from it. Lean in. That's where the good stuff is. Number 24, learn how to negotiate. Negotiation is life. From your salary to your relationships. Know your worth. Know your walk-away point. And know how to find middle ground. The skill isn't in getting your way, but in finding outcomes that benefit both sides. Number 25, learn to build focus like a muscle. Focus isn't just avoiding distractions. It's learning to return your attention when it drifts. Start with the short, deep work sessions and then train it daily. You get more done in less time. In a world full of distractions and noise, your focus is your superpower. Number 26, learn to adapt to change. Resilience isn't about never failing. It's about adjusting faster. Life rarely goes as planned, but that doesn't mean that you're off track. The most successful people, they're flexible. And they zigzag through life's challenges instead of expecting a straight line. Being adaptable is one of the strongest predictors of long-term success. Number 27, learn to be alone without being lonely. Solitude isn't isolation. It's a form of self-connection. Learn to enjoy your own company. Take yourself on walks. Reflect without distraction. When you're okay being alone, you stop needing the world to constantly validate you. Number 28, learn basic DIY skills. There's something deeply satisfying about fixing, building, or improving something with your own hands. Whether it's assembling furniture, patching a wall, or wiring a lamp, DIY teaches you patience, problem solving, and self-reliance. You stop feeling helplessness, and you start thinking, I can figure this out myself. Number 29, learn to budget time for joy. Productivity without joy, it leads to burnout. Schedule in fun, rest, and people that you love. A life that feels good matters more than one that just looks good. Number 30, learn how to learn the next skill. Because your life doesn't stop at 30. The most important skill is staying curious, staying humble, and staying teachable. The world belongs to lifelong learners. The moment you think you figure it all out is the moment you stop growing. So keep going. I hope you enjoyed this video. Are there any skills that you want to add to this list? Let me know below. If you like this video, you'll enjoy this video here on the 6 high income skills that you will need to learn. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.